Hi, it's Lena, and this video is going to be a brief crash course to crystal healing. Crystals are useful tools found across Earth and emit energetic vibrations that can empower your body, mind, and soul. Each crystal has a different shape and atomic structure that gives off different frequencies often found in life aspects. The key is to find what crystal speaks to you and develop ways to manifest its meaning into your being. I'm going to go over a couple things to consider when starting your crystal journey. Starting with finding some books to help look into how crystals can help you in your personal life. Books are really useful ways to understand the depth of crystal healing and even provide methods to incorporate crystals in everyday life. You can create routines to create inner peace and connect with energy you need. Some of these books have been extremely helpful for me in my own personal life. To keep crystal vibration pure, you're going to want to cleanse their energy. There are many ways to do this. Sage is useful for removing negative energy and cleaning crystals. Just place them in the smoke and place pure intent. Sound bowls are also helpful in cleaning. They produce calming and energizing vibrations that remove stagnant energy. It's important to remember that each crystal has unique and special capabilities. Selenite can clear negative vibes in all environments and even clean crystals, while chakra stones can align your auras. There are some key stones beginners should consider when starting their journey. The first is quartz. Known as the universal stone for its many uses and powerful manifestation ability, this crystal is a powerful healer. Amethyst is a spiritual protector that rids negative thoughts and provides wisdom. Rose quartz is popular, and while similar to quartz, it focuses on universal love. This crystal gives its beholder unconditional love internally and externally, resulting in ultimate peace. Crystals are found in diverse climates around the world. This stone is a rock I found near Yosemite while I was digging. It was polished and cut into bookends. The mixtures of elements in the crystals are vibrant and full of color when it's broken into. Pyrite, commonly known as fool's gold, is often found and said to help manifest money. Crystals can be added to existing spiritual routines or practices and empower your connection to them. I use the tarot with my crystals to charge my reading with pure intentions. Crystals are a great way to direct your energy into all aspects of life. I hope this video inspires you to begin your crystal journey and enables you to explore all the healing wonders of these stones. Thank you so much for watching.